To activate your Chase Sapphire card, start by visiting the Chase website or calling the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your card. You can also use the Chase mobile app to activate your card. First, go to the Chase website and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once you have logged in, click on the account you want to activate the card for and select the Activate Card option. You will then be prompted to enter the card verification value, also known as the CVV, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. You will also need to provide your card number and expiration date. If you prefer to activate your card over the phone, call the number provided on the sticker attached to your card and follow the automated prompts. You will need to provide your card information and verify your identity. Once your card is activated, you can start using it immediately. You can add it to your mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, and use it to make purchases online or in person. To get the most out of your Chase Sapphire card, make sure to understand the benefits and rewards it offers. The Chase Sapphire card offers points for travel and dining purchases, as well as other benefits such as travel insurance and purchase protection. To earn points, simply use your card to make eligible purchases. You can then redeem your points for travel, gift cards, or other rewards. It is also important to understand the terms and conditions of your card, including the interest rate and any fees associated with it. Make sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. By following these steps and understanding the benefits and terms of your Chase Sapphire card, you can start using it immediately and get the most out of your rewards and benefits.